Oh, hi, good morning. I see you've caught me enjoying my nice Starbucks Peppermint Mocha. It's a delicious drink that... Wait. There's none left. What will I do? How will I go on? Wait. If we cannot drink the Starbucks Peppermint Mocha, we shall eat the Starbucks Peppermint Mocha. Let's find out how. All right, here for our ingredients, we have a cup of unsalted butter, a cup of packed brown sugar, a tablespoon of espresso, and you can either go down to Starbucks and buy a single shot of espresso, or do what I did and get some espresso coffee powder, mix that into some hot water, and then scoop out a tablespoon of that, 1 egg, a teaspoon of vanilla, 2 cups of flour, a teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of cinnamon, a quarter of a teaspoon of salt, 1 12-ounce package of either these white chocolate and peppermint chips here, or you can just crush up some candy canes if you can't find these chips, and then a cup and a half of coarsely chopped walnuts. So, for mixing these cookies together, we're going to first take the butter and the brown sugar, add those to our mixer, and beat them together until they're nice and light. And then mix in the espresso, the vanilla, and the egg. Beat that in. And then combine the flour, baking soda, cinnamon, and salt in a separate bowl, and gradually add that to the batter while it's mixing. And then stir in the peppermint chips and the walnuts. Okay, now we're going to preheat our oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and spoon out the dough onto parchment paper lined cookie sheets. Then we're going to bake them for 7 to 9 minutes, just until the centers of the cookies are firm. Take them out, let them cool on the cookie sheets, and then we'll be done. there we go. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Next week, we're going to be making a pecan tart. It's a lot like a pecan pie, but it's denser and it's got chocolate in it. That's always a plus for me. I might be filming in a different location next week. I'm not sure yet. But either way, maybe back here next week, same time, maybe a different place. Until then, I hope you all have a great week. Love you all. Bye.